Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the small topics which is related to empowerment of students through knowledge. This topic has been taken from the book Empowerment Through Knowledge by Hariom Jindal ji, published by Society for Equal Dignity of Children, and website is childdivinity.org. The first and the foremost thing I would like to tell you, we are teaching A for apple, but here we are teaching A for administration. So what is the meaning of administration? Administration is the process or activity of doing a business, or we can say any organization like a school, like company, like India organization work doing activities, or we can say doing household activities also. So then who is administrator? Administration is the process or activity of running a business or any organization or any institute. Administrator is the person, the head of a business or head of that institute or head of at home what we work we are doing. Means our parents, mother is also administrator of home, right? Wife is also administrator at home. Our principal also administrator in the school. Our chief minister of Punjab, Shri Bhagwant Mann, he is administrator of Punjab. Similarly, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he is administrator of India. So they are administrator. So if we are talking of our home, who is the administrator? Mother or wife is an administrator who is doing daily process activities. Similarly, daily process activities being done by the principal, daily process activities done by the chief minister, daily process activities done by the Prime Minister of India. So the management of all these things is being done by administrator. So administrator is having responsibilities, like mother is having responsibility, father is having responsibility, principal is having responsibility, chief minister is also having. All are components of word, right? Similarly, nation. What is nation? Nation is a group of people or large number of people united by some culture, by some history, by some descent, by some language, and inhabitant of that country, particular country, right? Or territory. In other words, country is a nation with its own government occupying a particular territory. Fine. So similarly, if you talk of India, India is a country, independent nation. Okay. Similarly, different countries, Nepal is a country, right? Similarly, if you talk of United States of America, that is the developed country, is a country in the world. So there are total 195 countries in the world. Okay, so this was about administration, this was about word and number of countries and where we stand. India is in the world. Next part we are going to talk of is administration. That means process or activities which are daily the administrator is doing. Mother is making food for everyone, that is also activities. Similarly, principal is taking care of all the school operations. Chief minister also doing some activities, and prime minister office also taking care of all the activities in the country, India. So now in administration there are two parts. One is territorial division and functional division. Two divisions are there, terrestrial and functional. In terrestrial division means the geographical area division. The administration of word cannot be done by one person. It should be divided into territorial areas. So the country we know that is administered by Prime Minister of India. Similarly, states are administered by the Chief Minister. In the states, we are having districts. Districts are administered by DC. DC is Deputy Commissioner. Similarly, subdivisions will be there. So subdivisional officer will be taking care of the administration of that particular territorial area. So now administrative responsibility for the territory of whole India, whole country is lies with the Prime Minister of India. For the state, Chief Minister of India. For the district, Deputy Commissioner of that district. Similarly, if you talk of subdivision, when we say taluk also, block also, so that is subdivisional officer. The responsibility lies with subdivisional officer. Similarly, if you talk of total number of states in India, 28, union territory 8. So this is a knowledge based question. Similarly, if you talk of total number of district in Punjab, total district is 23. If you talk of total districts all over India, that will be 766 districts in India. Okay, so next, if we will talk of the like for example, Moga is district, Ludhiana is district, Jalandhar is district. So if you talk of subdivisions, then Ludhiana also so many subdivisions are there, like Jigraon is there, Raikot is there. Similarly, Moga, when we talk of Dharamkot, is one subdivision. So this way it is divided into subdivision. Districts are divided into subdivision. So now district will be having units. Which units? Administrative units of city, town, village. Means district contains what? Cities, towns and villages. So if you talk of city, city will be having some municipality. Their municipal commissioner will be taking care of the administration, right? Administrative head of municipal corporation would be municipal commissioner. Fine. So in that city area, mostly we say MC, right? Municipal commissioner. Similarly, if you talk of functional division, this we have talked of which division? Territorial, territory. Now we are talking of functional division. Functional means what work we are doing. Functional divisions means various departments in the administration. What are the works being done by that administration? So examples are like police department. Similarly, fire department is there. Fire department, then education department is there. Then public work department is there. These are the four major departments: police, fire, education, public work. Similarly, health also will be there. So public is public. All this related with public. So police department, what is the maintain law and order, prevention of crime. Similarly, if you talk of fire to help in case of any accident or any type of untoward incidents happens. Education department will take care of the to educate the citizens, to educate like to provide the schooling or college education. Similarly, public work department will make, construct building, roads, house. This work will be done. So now if you talk of, if the question arises, who is the owner of India? Who is the owner of India? So citizens of India, owner of India. Whether that citizen is poor or rich, they are owner of India. So this is the point. And next thing is like, who are the citizens of India? Those who that those these two areas are there. This is regarding the people who born in India, that are citizens. So whosoever parents are born in India, that are also Indians. And the people living in India for 5 years before 1947, Before the partition, before 5 years, like that people living, so that also included under citizens of India. Who will be at loss if reputation of country is damaged? Citizens, because everything belongs to citizens. So I think I have cleared the concept of A. A is administration, administrator, you come to know. Administration divided into territorial and functional. Territorial, we are talking of country. Before that, word, country, country then states, states then district, district then subdivision. Under district we are having city, villages, right? So this is all about the administration. So we'll talk further for the next topic. Thank you.